Okay, another thing begins with, remember this letter, the letter S makes the S sound. Another thing that begins with the letter S is stars. Now, would you see the stars during the day? No, we would see the stars at night. So at night, if it's a clear night, you can go outside and you can look at the stars in the night sky. And sometimes stars are grouped together, and when they're grouped together, they're called constellations. So it almost looks like you can see little pictures in the night sky sometimes when the stars make different shapes. So on this paper here, we have the stars at night, and what we're going to do is we're going to go over some numbers. Now, we've done all of our numbers from 0 to 10 so far, so let's go over this number. Do you remember what number that one is? That's the number 6, and this one is 7, and here we have number 8, and this one is 9 and 10. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the way we're going to do this paper, now you have this in your packet, but I also sent it by email. What we're going to do on this paper is we're going to first count the stars. Now when we're counting, you have to remember that we're going to count very carefully. So you have to look at your paper and point to each star one at a time. So you want to count very carefully, because we don't want to do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's not counting carefully. So we have to do each one at a time. So let's count this top set of stars carefully together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's see if we can find the number 8. Which one of these looks like the number 8 to you? Is this the number 8? No, not that one. How about this? Is this the number 8? No, not that one. Is this the number 8? Yes, that's the number 8. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line from this first set of stars down to the number 8. So we have 8 stars. 8 stars here, and there's the number 8. Let's count the next set together. Count with me, okay? Everybody count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's look at all of our numbers on the side and see if we can find number 6. Okay, let's look carefully. Is this number 6? No, that's not number 6. Is that number 6? No, that's the 9. Remember, the 6 has the opening on the bottom, the 9 has the opening on the top. Is this number 6? No, that's number 7. There it is. There's number 6. So let's draw a line from our 6 stars to the number 6. All right, you ready to count the next group? All right, count them with me now. I'm going to count carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try to find the number 7. Where do we see the number 7? Okay, we know that's the number 6. What number is this one? 7, right, that's number 7. So we're going to draw our line from our 7 stars to the number 7. Okay, let's count the next group. Remember, we want to point to each one with your pointer finger or with your tip of your crayon, one at a time. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which one of these is the number 10? Right, this is the number 10. The number 10 is made up of a 1 and a 0. So here we have the number 10. Draw a line from our 10 stars to the number 10. And let's count our last set of stars together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And let's see, which one is our number 9? Is this number 9? No, that's the 6. Remember, that has the opening on the bottom. There it is, right. The opening on the 9 is at the top. We go from our 9 stars to our number 9. Let me just grab my crayons real quick. And what we're going to do now is we're going to color our stars. And when we're coloring, again, we don't want to color all of them at once. We want to color one star at a time. So you can use whatever color you want. I'm going to use orange, I think. We're going to color one at a time, and let's count again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have our 8 stars, and there's our number 8. Okay, so when we're counting, when we're coloring and we're counting, we want to be coloring and counting at the same time, but do 1 star at a time, and this way it's much easier to count. Let's do this next group together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we have, what number is that? 6. Good. All right, let's count the next one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This set has 7 stars, and here's our number 7. Good. 7. Hey, that begins with the letter S also. 7 and 6 both begin with the letter S. All right, let's count our next set together. Let's count the stars. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now remember, the number 10 is the 1 and the 0 together. And what number is that? 10. Right, number 10. All right, let's count the last one together. You ready? Count with me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And remember, the number 9 has the opening on the top. So let's go over our numbers again. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What was this number? 8. What is this number? 10. And remember that one? 6. And this one is a 9 and 7. So let's do it again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what letter does stars begin with? The letter S. So now, if it's clear, if it's a real clear night, maybe tonight will be nice and clear, and then maybe you can go outside with your mommies and daddies and take a look at the night sky and see if you can find any stars. And if you can see the stars, see if you can find any shapes or constellations when you're looking at the stars. Okay? Keep practicing your numbers and your letters.